Hey adventurers! Today on the Adventures of Captain Compass Traveling Cruise, we're diving into a hidden gem right here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. The Tarpon Springs Aquarium and Animal Sanctuary. From up-close encounters to thrilling interactive shows, we're exploring everything this long-standing, family-owned roadside attraction has to offer. Let's go see what makes this place such a unique Florida favorite. Welcome to the Tarpon Springs Aquarium and Animal Sanctuary, a cherished family-owned establishment that has been captivating visitors since the 1990s. Founded by the Conger family, the aquarium originally opened its doors at the historic Sponge Docks. After nearly 3 decades, in 2021 it relocated to this expansive new facility to accommodate its growing collection and enhance visitor experiences. Moving the facility in 2021 allowed them to expand their exhibits and provide a more interactive experience for their guests, all the while continuing their mission of education and conservation. The sanctuary is home to a wide array of creatures. In the marine exhibit, you'll find stingrays, sharks, grouper, tarpon, and a variety of tropical fish. The reptile section features alligators, crocodiles, iguanas, both venomous and non-venomous snakes. Additionally, the sanctuary houses farm animals like goats, pigs, chickens, ducks, and even bunnies. Guests can enjoy several interactive shows throughout the day. The Alligator Show offers a daring display of hand-feeding large alligators, followed by opportunities to hold a baby gator. The Scuba Diver Show features divers feeding fish in a large tank, providing insight into marine life behaviors. The up-close reptile encounters allow visitors to meet and even hold various reptiles, including pythons and baby alligators. A highlight of this sanctuary is the 2 expansive open-air tanks, each holding 120,000 gallons of salt water. These tanks offer a unique perspective on marine life and are designed to facilitate future activities such as snorkeling with fish. The petting zoo provides hands-on experiences with farm animals, allowing visitors to feed and interact with creatures such as goats and pigs. Meanwhile, the Stingray Touch Tank invites guests to gently touch and feed these fascinating marine animals, making its favorite among younger visitors. Planning your next visit is straightforward. The aquarium is open daily, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., except on Christmas and Thanksgiving. Admission is as follows. Adults 13 and up are $28.99. Children 3 to 12 are $18.99, and seniors 65 and older are $24.99. Children ages 2 and under enjoy free admission. For frequent visitors, annual passes are available at a discount rate. Whether you're a local or a tourist, the Tarpon Springs Aquarium and Animal Sanctuary offers an immersive experience that educates, entertains, fostering a deep appreciation for the diverse wildlife that shares our planet. If you like this video and find it informative and enjoyable, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out.